This is my sinnis Apache SMR 125. Here you can see I'm building a battery box for it to house some Nissan Leaf cells that I already had. My plan is to use a hubmotor QS273 8000 kilowatt. I haven't got an idea of what controller I'm going to use yet. I've seen some stuff online about the Kelly controllers and the Savotrons, but really I just want an easy programmable controller that I can use. I also would like some advice for a BMS should any of you done this sort of conversion before, as I have no experience with the Nissan Leaf cells. I'm a type of guy that's always willing to learn. If you have any advice on BMS or controllers, that would be really fab. Hope I can get this all together within the next year and be blasting down the road.